Number 3, Canada will also suffer so much economically because of over dependence on exports. Canada will also suffer so much economically because of over dependence on export. Because we can say export there, so be a exporter. But Canada is over dependent on export. And into issues of money America for about the tariff issue and all that. No, China be America focus here more import ni be more export now. What do you do? So over dependence on export into Ebema Canada as suffer economically. Okay, now here deal. Daily farmers will organize huge demonstrations, that is protests against the government due to hardship. And into serious campaign against the Canadian government, you know. Okay? Serious demonstration, protest against it due to hardship. These difficulties will help these economies long term because they will be forced to adjust on how things are done. The idea, even though the overdependence on export in Canada, Ebema Canada for aqua economically, but Ebema has done that no money, and into Ebema, even though they ban no bad things, but Ebema with me as standing properly based on a resolution and no more. So even though the beginning not a bad because of dependence on export, but sa bre on bekomu no Ebema my ding almost so many things. Sabi bibia betimi as a